This part is very expensive. See my dear friend, this is a huge damage tub inner. The bearing seal no issue, bearing also okay, seal also okay, but problem with the tub, here everywhere crack, here big crack, here also crack, here very big crack, everywhere because of the overload. This is 17 kg washer and 9 kg dryer, but customer using, I discussed with the customer, more than 20-25 kilo. He is while he using time, he is using full, no enough space he is keeping. I explained to him the glass angle. I will show you later what is the glass angle. It should be that level after getting wet your fabric. Because of that only this much damage. All the water came from here to outside. Huge damage. Everywhere water came and break this one stator. Now we cannot anymore stator. It is already because of the water. Stator got damaged. This is the stator. This is already grounded, showing continuity everywhere. With the rotor also having when we are giving power, rotor also having power. Because of that, we have to replace the stator. Because that one we cannot repair anymore. We have to replace the parts. Because of that, I ordered this one. And the tub gasket not available, but bearing, seal, the bellow, and everything's available. This gasket we have to refresh from the new damaged one. This is old one. We have to remove this gasket from here to new one, because this company not provide that one. Old one having this dry duct, one filter, but new one is not available. Because of that, we have to change that one also, and we have to remove this hose also from the old one. That one also not provide. This two item we have to remove and fix here. Here hole already we have to remove these two screws, and we have to fix here, and also we have to remove this dry duct filter. This dry system is condensation dry system. Because of that, it's while drying time providing water, pressure water here. We have to fix careful this one, and I already fixed that net also. Now we can fix this one. While we are fixing, we have to careful this drive, the heater. This heater should be the same position also with the lock. It's like that. Little bit tight because this is new tub, because of that little bit tight. दूसरा एक ले जाओ।
कौन सा है दूसरा? लेकिन वो पैसा बहुत ये रखेगा।
कौन सा?
वो वाला रख लो साथ में।
वो बच्चे को बोलो थोड़ा आने के लिए।
है?
उसको बोलो आने के लिए थोड़ा उठाने के लिए। This is very heavy, it's very difficult to fix alone. Because of that, we have to call someone else to help for me. Now I already fixed the balance and also dry duct, heater. I check actually before remove the machine, this all are working. Because of that, it's confirmed it's all working. Now we have to go next steps. Now finally we have to fix the front panel. After that, back rotor and stator. We have to fix this one stream generator. We have to fix the generator, stream generator, because this one with steam also. And we will go to next step because my dear friend, I'm alone actually. I don't have cameraman. And anyway, I will show you how to do that step by step, because you can understand what is the next step like that. Anyway, we will go for the next steps.